Okay, hey guys, we're in a Mega Wall today, and we're playing Endy, Enderman, and we got a new skin, Untouchable, and we just went for the diamonds, and we got a diamond chestplate as Endy. So I'll be back with some deathmatch gameplay, but make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, we're back in the game, and all withers are low. Which is, I guess, okay. I'm fine with that. Have a nice death match, and I think I'll slash kill. And then get my stuff. Please don't take it. Yes. So just get my speed pop back. I want to not damage thing. And I think now will be a good time. Wow. Yep. GG. So, right. Ooh, arrows. Thank you, mate. Now I have a bow. Let's go. Oh my god, we're waiting on red. So I'll get back to you guys when we're in deathmatch. Alright, we're back and our wither just died. Okay, I really do not want to run it into someone right now. This diamond chestplate will get me targeted, no doubt. Okay, finally, red's dead. Let's go up, let's go up, let's go up. So yeah. If we can, I don't know, because we're gonna get, red is really good people. And green has also a lot of good people. They have that, yeah, they also have a lot of good people. So we really need to be careful because we're going to get targeted really hard. There's a golem. If we can kill him, that would be nice. But I doubt we will be able to. If we meet up with our team, we have a phoenix. That's good. Okay, region, I need that. So like, yep, we are set. So, okay, there's our team. Let's go down. We are ready. Okay, we can really win this game easily. We have these shamans. We could kill these kids easily. If we could just stick with our team. I know we're gonna get targeted, but no doubt. Get this final. Dang it. No! Couldn't get that. Okay, let's see if we can maybe pick off some of this blaze here. Let's just get down here. If we could have killed him, that would have been nice, but it's okay. Get this werewolf, maybe? Let's see if we can maybe go in. Let's go. That's their entire team. A little... Okay, that's a lot of them. You know that. Let's see if we can come here and just pick them, because we can't go in at once. Get this guy. Get him. Get him! Ooh. Got him. I didn't get that. Wow, okay. Whatever. Going well, going well. Let's see. We need to kill this press 3. He's a little bit like... Alright. Let's get this here. Alright. Oh shoot, I need food. Alright. Let's just stay in mid. Get this going. If we could, yeah, we could easily go here. Oh shit. Oh my god, where's my team? Team? Can you please, like, help? Where are they? They're shooting me. Get him. Being a prick. Alright. Like, we're really getting killed right now if we're getting destroyed here. If we can get out of here, I'll be happy. There's some fights going down. This werewolf scares me. Nice, nice, nice. Got him. Let's push, push, push. Oh no! There's a guy there. Get this guy. Red speed. Get this. Nice, nice. Getting up some. We're still down on players. Get out of this hole, like, before we get jumped. Okay. Oh, I need food, I need food. Get out, get out, get out. Okay, let's get that region going. Oh, shoot, we need food. Oh my god. We're getting destroyed. Skybase is the only option, I see. Cause, okay, where is the team at, first of all? We have no food. This is very bad. Come on, come on, come on, come on. If we can just get to the top here. That won't come. I'm pretty sure. This guy comes for me. Not good. Get out. I do not want to die right now. Red, if you could do something right now, like, that would be really nice. This numbskull is really going for me. Yep, I'm dead. Failing with a diamond chest plate.